Welcome, Gaetana. Please, your speaker. She is a powerhouse of a lady in SynerLeap ABB. And what I really love about your story is actually we've been talking about innovation with your employees and innovation with your customers. Now you're actually talking about innovation with partnerships. So,
yes. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome today here to listen about SynerLeap. Is ABB. Growth Innovation Hub that has been inaugurated last year. And I will talk about where, in this place, a small company, when we talk about startup, scale-up, medium-size, together with ABB can collaborate. A short background about myself, let's see. Yes, I have actually a technical background in computer science engineering, and I have a PhD in embedded design methodology, and actually I'm the current head of operation for SynerLeap. I've been working with ABB 11 years. That's allowed me to acquire quite great experience in different way, working with large corporation and different projects. And now I'm talking about SynerLeap. And this is the title, ABB Open Up, and that is actually what is happening. So ABB has opened its doors to fast-growing startup and scale-up, which have the possibility to expand their markets and the global area. And is it located in SynerLeap is located in Västerås, in the largest global research centers with 250 researchers and more than 20 specialized laboratories. And they are definitely where it is located is in the heart of the center. It means that we want that really two different cultures get in contact with each other. SynerLeap, let's say, as direction areas, work with the energy, robotics, and industrial automation. But of course, we are not close to this one, and new ideas are always welcome. You will see it on the long way when we are presenting. We have about 1,200 square meters with 85 places for different companies. Inaugurated the 5th of September with the ABB CTO and Global CEO, together with the Ministry for Policy Coordination and Energy. We will make, let's say, 1 year tomorrow. This has been definitely show a great commitment from different partners, including ABB, because we really want that one happens. We want to shorten the innovation cycle, and we think that can be done through SynerLeap. It's one way. So what the concept is and the model is that everything is about collaboration. We have different partners with different levels. So the first things are the scale-ups and the startups as actor there, and then ABB with its infrastructure and its expertise and the region, which is part of that one. The objective is shorten the innovation cycle, is enable growing, actually decrease the time to market, and definitely strengthen the competitiveness, creating value. If we go further, we have several partners, as you can see it in the picture that I have shown here. We have from the governmental foundings energy to government funding to different universities and different hubs, and we have the region behind the Westmanland region as well, and Västerås Stad. I just want to share you some information about the government's model. I mean, I want to show you that we are really committed to make collaboration happen, and that is how we are doing, actually. We have SynerLeap is subsidiary to ABB, and we have a short, actually, way to the board of SynerLeap, where we have the global CTO being part of that one. We have the country manager, the managing director for Sweden. We have the managing director directly there, part of the board to take decision and to support SynerLeap as much as possible. In the review board, and that is also something that is very important and supportive, we have all of the head of the division, including ABB Technology Venture in. So the company are supported and get accepted from the beginning. And of course, we are collaborating with partners. Selection criteria for the company, you can ask what company you are looking for. As I say, small and medium enterprises with the fast-growing potential in the area that we mentioned it. We would like to have them possibly some customer in place. We would like that they would like to collaborate and within the ecosystems. We are looking for companies that know where they want to go, that have actually their business at least strategy clear. and solid IP possibly, and of course we don't want any company that is competitive or competing within the same ecosystem that we are building. What you can ask, okay, if I am a company, what benefit I will get into such ecosystem? But what we see is that you get access actually to ABB expert and resource and global labs which are not available in the open markets. And actually you have the possibility to collaborate, to get in contact with customer, increase your visibility, and meet actually ABB customer together with ABB. That is definitely something that is not possible if you are not with the traditional way of working, and it takes even more time to get trust in between the different companies and ABB. In this way, getting in SynerLeap, this is building automatically and in a shorter and smart way. Today, we have 17 companies that are part of SynerLeap. They are coming from different sectors and they have different level of maturity. And this is also, and some of the companies, you can see it and read it after like Freewell, they are not definitely related to energy saving or robotics, but we saw that they have potential to, and they can use our infrastructure to grow even more, and we decided to give them actually an opportunity. They are coming from all Sweden. I just want to highlight a few of the companies just to give you a feeling of what company we are there. That is one, for instance, Seabot, just highlight as the 10 most interesting robotics in the construction building. We have Handride, you can see their T-pod and their prototype just outside here today at the Stockholm Tech Fest. Definitely growing, and 25 most top 25 transportation innovation company. We have actually Mobilize, which has, for instance, already have collaboration in place with ABB, but this is growing all of the time. And we have, for instance, Cognizant, which before being part of SynerLeap tried to get into the share markets, but it didn't succeed. And after that one in March, their share were issues for 12 million, but they get into with 6 million. So that's just example. I mean, just what kind of synergy and what kind of benefit company working with large corporation can get. Another example is Imagimob, 33 winner listed this year. We have Percepio, large collaboration with ARM, the largest processor producer. And what I want to just highlight very quickly is this company. If we have just the possibility to run the video, I don't know if that is possible. Video? That was the that is really a great path, because this company coming completely from different sectors, two guys with some great idea but without any potential to realize. They just get into the lab. They didn't have the possibility to get access to robot, ABB robot, or just the robot, and they just try and they realize some control of the robot that is really amazing, just with HDVC. That is great. They didn't have the potential. They just start to get in contact with as much as possible with the people in the company and with the infrastructure. So that has been great, and I just want to show this example. I just ran through the last two slides, and what I want to just some kind of takeaway, because that's model that we have set up with SynerLeap is special, but has been done it after benchmarking several incubator and accelerator in Sweden, and that's we find together with the AstraZeneca model, a model that they are sharing their resource. We cannot do everything by ourselves. Everything is collaboration. Let's open our infrastructure to them. So that is something that we have to think when it comes to large cooperation, that we cannot make all alone, but we want the company to be in, and they with great idea. They are fast growing, the potential. Things can happen, as we have seen it so far. And that is what the last slide, what happens when we bring culture together. You see something magic. Honestly, that is an example of under 70 people in SynerLeap on the same days, sharing ideas, sharing knowledge, having really tried to have concrete innovation, values, creating. And that's the thing is what we are looking for and what we are striving for. Just you feel a pool of energy, source of energy to create innovation together. And that's the thing is definitely great. And that is what we work every day for in SynerLeap. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. That was really insightful. And I think what's really interesting in where you started from is that you started with just a few examples. So
Yes.
a lot of these things start with the small steps, and once you get the culture going and the mindset going in corporations to bring on those startups, bring on those partners, and actually trust each other, both the startup and the enterprise, and that's where the magic happens, isn't it?
It's definitely a culture change, and it's driven by human. And you can see that. I mean, you come from two different cultures. I mean, the entrepreneurship culture and the large corporation culture, which they have to get together. So that is definitely something really good that is happening to create value and innovation.
Great.
Oh,
Thank you,
thank you.
Gaetana.